Alrighty guys, so I want to show you a new feature that we've released with Teleport recently, which is this little yellow tag right here. Inside, if you're here inside of Teleport and then you just go ahead and go to your files page, you will see your full list of files right here in order as they always are. You will see that some of them will have this little yellow tag and some of them will not. This little yellow tag is an identifier that there is a design note on that file. You will generally get design notes if a part has been printed and there's some sort of error inside of it, or something that we think could be improved in order to make it more manufacturable and have a higher quality part on there. So if you just go ahead and click on that, you'll see the little note that comes up here. And this is a note that I wrote to myself up through the admin console while going through and doing an engineering review of this part. And this note might be real short of like, hey, this part looks great, or it might be really long saying, hey, maybe you could round out the edges so it doesn't warp, or you have a text on the first layer that can cause defects over time, these types of things, and some resources around how to help it and that kind of thing. So this is the design notes. This is replacing the physical design notes that used to be included with orders inside of the boxes. If you get a part on order that's like a prototype and you're like, this isn't exactly what I thought it was, go ahead and check into your files page here and you will see a little note next to it, and hopefully there are some tips about how to improve the print into the future to make sure it's as good a quality as it can possibly be as you're selling parts on Teleport.